Modern chemistry can explain the phenomenon of atoms being bonded to become molecules with the concept of ionic and covalent bonds with the Lewis symbol. But it was difficult to understand triple bonds and think of the shape of molecules in 3 dimensions. This molecular structure theory regards an electron as a substance that is arranged around the atomic nucleus to clarify the ionic and covalent bonds. In particular, for atoms up to the 3rd period, the bonds of atoms, except for noble gases, which have perfect electron configurations, were explained in 3 dimensions using an 8-electron configuration and a 6-electron configuration centering around the nucleus, and the explanations are presented below. Modern chemistry, atoms that use noble gases up to the 3rd period of the periodic table combine with other atoms and bond with each other. There are 2 ways to make a molecule, 6 electrons and 8 electrons. 6-electron diagram is that electrons are located in the center of each of the spherical regular hexahedron around the nucleus of an atom, and when combined with neighboring atoms, a stable molecule is created. N2 N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CO C 1, 2, 3, 4. O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. NO HCN In this way, each atomic nucleus is surrounded by 6 electrons and becomes stable. The 8-electron diagram is a method of making most molecules, and when electrons are located at the 8 vertices of a spherical regular hexahedron through covalent and ionic bonds of atoms, the molecules bound to the atoms find stability. CO2 C 1, 2, 3, 4. O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H2O O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 H 1 H O2 O3 CaO CaCO3 C6H6 In this way, each atomic nucleus is surrounded by 8 electrons and becomes stable. It is a constituent of proteins, which make up the fundamental skeleton for living organisms. It is circulated through the generation by plants and subsequent intake by animals. There are 22 kinds of amino acids, and the 8-electron configuration and stereogram of the molecular structure are presented below. Alanine Valine Leucine Isoleucine methionine, tryptophan, phenylalanine, proline, pyrrolysine, cysteine, glycine, tyosine, serine, asparagine, threonine, glutamine, lysine, histidine, arginine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, selenocysteine. Gas, liquid, and solid state according to the temperature of water molecules based on molecular structure theory. The process of ice formation by combining solid water molecules is as presented below. Molecule binding, water, liquid, gas, solid. When the oxygen atom receives energy and its temperature exceeds 100 degrees, the volume increases and the nucleus of hydrogen enters the outer shell of the oxygen atom. The resulting water molecule has a negative electric charge as a whole, and repulsion among molecules takes place. When the temperature of the oxygen atom is between 0 degree and 100 degree, the volume of the oxygen atom reduces and the hydrogen nucleus stays away from the oxygen atom at a moderate distance. It freely moves and consequently, the water molecule is fluidified. When the temperature of the oxygen atom is below 0 degree, the volume of the oxygen atom further reduces, the hydrogen nucleus recedes from the oxygen atom, and finally, it combines with another water molecule. 6 out of 12 protons of the hydrogen atom form the hexagonal water structure. 3 of them form a horizontal binding among hexagonal water molecules, and the remaining 3 protons form a vertical binding among hexagonal water molecules. I state due to the vertical and horizontal bindings of hexagonal water molecules. The shape and properties of all creations in the universe are determined by the binding of electrons.